The last time I was here, this lot was empty. Today, it's packed with Tacomas. I counted 19 Toyota Tacomas on this lot. Let's go see what they got. Let's go check out this TRD Pro. Oh, now this Stormtrooper looks slick. See, it's got the ARB bumper. It's got the red tow hooks. It's got the inserts for the rear rigid lights. If you wanted to upgrade, this has a hardtop tonneau cover, but this does not have an air compressor, but it does have a 2400 watt inverter, a USB-C output and a DC output right over there. And it's got 360-degree cameras, just like the Trailhunter. Got one right there to monitor your trailer hitch. Got a camera up there to see for your rear view mirror. You've got another camera right here to monitor your bed. And these are the Pro emblem here. You got the TRD wheels. You got the Fox shocks. They are adjustable. You got the TRD upper control arms. And of course, you've got the shock absorption seats. You got a 14-inch screen, removable JBL speaker. You got a sway bar disconnect, locking rear diff package. And they want $69,099 for this TRD Pro. You got bed seating lighting. That should come by default, but apparently it doesn't. You got the hard trifold tonneau cover. You got a rigid fog lights upgrade. So on this one, you can get the white and yellow, which means that the yellow will help you to see better in foggy situations. By default, the Trailhunter comes with it by default, but this one has the upgrade. And then you've got a light bar here, a camera here. You got the raised hood that serves no purpose other than looks. This one comes with mud guards. And this has a door edge guard. And this one has a spray-on bed liner. And you got the rocker protectors on here. That is not rock rails or rock sliders. This is a foreign parts content, Japan 30, Mexico 30. Final assembly point, Guantanamo, Mexico. Country of origin, engine parts USA, transmission parts Japan. And it's got the isodynamic seats in the back to absorb shock when you're going fast in the desert. See under here, it's got the TRD skid plate. You got to push a button inside the cab to unlock the gas tank. And it does have the dual TRD tailpipes coming out. That looks pretty slick. But it's not meant for going off-road. And it does not have a rear skid plate over the rear diff. All right, up here we got two TRD Off-Roads, a TRD Sport, and another TRD Off-Road over here on this side. And look at those Tacomas up through there, all the way down there. Let's check out this Celestial Silver TRD Off-Road. I can tell already it's got a spray-on bed liner. Nothing impressive in the back other than bed lights and deck rail system. It's got the raised letters, 4x4 TRD Off-Road. This one is manual opening it up. And look, if you didn't notice, on the 4th generation Toyota Tacomas, the gas caps no longer dangle. You can actually put it right there and let it hold it. So on this one, US Canada parts content 40%, Japan 15%, Mexico 35% on the major sources of foreign parts content. Final assembly point, Baja California, Mexico. Engine parts USA, transmission parts USA. And it's got the Predator steps. Those are nice on the TRD Off-Road. It's got mud guards. You got the Bilstein shocks. Oh, this has the TRD lift. Check that out. TRD upper control arm. This has the TRD lift kit. Let's go see how much they want for this. And this has a locking rear diff. All the TRD Off-Roads have a locking rear diff. This has an 8-inch screen, and it's got heated front seats, bed seating lighting. Yep, suspension kit, 2.5-inch lift, $3,400. Now, if you're going to get a lift, I'll recommend the TRD lift kit because insurance companies will give you a hard time and ask you to send in pictures of your Tacoma just to make sure it doesn't have a lift on it. So go check out my previous video about that, but they'll do it. But this one has the 2.5-inch lift. It's got the tailgate inserts, Predator steps. Oh, this one has the rigid fog lights upgrade. This is the white ones. Exhaust tip, black chrome, door edge guard. And they want $52,218 for this beefed up TRD Off-Road. Now, if you're looking for a TRD Off-Road that's got some beef on it, this is the one. And check out those rigid fog lights. They're white only. It's not like that TRD Pro and my Trailhunter over there that's got white and amber. Let's see what else they got. Here's another TRD Off-Road. This one does not have a lift kit. Now look at the difference. You see that difference? Check out the difference. That lift, no lift. They want $56,829 for this one. Why is this one expensive? This isn't even iForce Max Hybrid. No lift, but it's got the premium package. That includes the Softex trim seats with heated and ventilated power adjustable front seats, leather trimmed heated steering wheel, 14-inch display. It's got 360-degree cameras. So it's loaded from that perspective because it's a premium package. It's got a hard trifo tonneau cover, floor liners, mud guard, spray-on bed liner, and door edge guard. I've got one for my Trailhunter. I just never put it on. I need to. I see a future mod in place that I've been putting off since last March. See, it's got the standard exhaust, and I recommend going to TacomaStore.com and getting you an tailpipe for a TRD Off-Road. Well worth the money. It gives you a tailpipe just like the Trailhunter has. All right, you got a black chrome emblem there. It's got the regular fog lights. They're not the rigids. All right, this is a TRD Sport, if I remember correctly. Those tires looking like a TRD Sport. Yep, TRD Sport. So you got a hardcover tonneau cover. Now, I do like the OEMs on this. The OEM bed covers. Those are pretty slick. You can see how hard that is. I like that a lot. This has an 8-inch screen, and I can tell right now, just by looking at it, it's got premium paint. If you find a Tacoma with premium paint, you seriously want to consider it, because the paint on the Tacomas, from my experience, isn't that great. You see it's got a door edge guard right here. It's got an 8-inch screen, nothing special in the console. It is a 4-wheel drive. You got mud guard, spray on bed liner, door edge guard, premium paint. And they want $47,784 for this TRD Sport. Let's check out this TRD Off-Road. This does not have a lift either. It's got tube steps on a TRD Off-Road. That's my biggest pet peeve on a TRD Off-Road. Why? No. They want $55,218 for this TRD Off-Road. It's got the upgrade package. That includes fabric trimmed seats with heated power, adjustable front seats, leather trimmed, heated steering wheel, JBL front portable speaker, the key compatible wireless charging, auto dimming rearview mirror with home link. So it's got a digital rearview mirror, and it's 14-inch screen. This one has bed scene lighting, mud guard, spray on bed liner, door edge guard. $55,218 for this TRD Off-Road. They just keep walking down the line. Look at all those Tacomas. My goodness, I tell you, this dealership really knows how to move them. Here's another TRD Off-Road. This has an inverter. This is not a spray-on bed liner. DC output over here. This is a 400-watt inverter. You got storage in here. Put anything you want in there. You got Bilstein shocks, 14-inch screen, locking rear diff. It's got 360-degree cameras. Got a tow package. And this comes with the premium package. TRD Off-Road premium package, so it's got a removable JBL speaker up there. You got heated front seats. You got heated steering wheel, and it's got a door edge guard right there, and it's got mud guards on it. And they want $54,959 for this TRD Off-Road. Here is a SR. You can't get any more plain Jane than this SR, but it does have a spray-on bed liner, bed rail, and bed lights. This has leaf springs instead of the coil springs. They want $39,639 for this SR, and it is a 4x4, and it has a door edge guard, 8-inch screen. All right, here's another TRD Off-Road. It doesn't have a spray-on bed liner. It's got bed rails and bed lights, manual gas tank opener, and this has a locking rear diff. This has adjustable headlights, tube steps on a TRD Off-Road. Shame. And I bet this has the premium paint on it too. And it does. I can tell that's a much higher quality paint, getting the premium paint. If you find one, seriously consider it. Door edge guards, 8-inch screen, locking rear diff, 4-wheel drive, and they want $47,399 for this TRD Off-Road. Get the TRD lift, change it out for those black TRD wheels, change that out for some Predator steps. That'll look pretty slick. All right, here's another TRD Off-Road. This has a 14-inch screen. This has got locking rear differential, tow package, and 360-degree camera. So you got cameras here, you got camera on the front, you got a camera for your rear mirror, you got a camera monitoring your truck bed, you got a camera looking out this way in your tailgate, you got another camera for whatever you're towing. This has a spray-on bed liner, and it's got a OEM bed mat. This is a 400 watt inverter, DC output, USB-C output over here, bed cleats, and this has a removable JBL speaker. I bet this is the premium package, and it is. And it's got an exhaust tip, black chrome. Let's go look at that. There's a black chrome exhaust tip. That's the regular one. And they want $56,425 for this TRD Off-Road premium package. All right, here's another TRD Off-Road. There's no spray on bed liner, nothing special but bed rails and bed lights. This is not lifted, but it does have built-in shocks. 8-inch screen, locking rear diff. They want $46,324 for this TRD Off-Road. If you wanted a TRD Off-Road just to start with, this might be the one. Here's another TRD Off-Road. It's black. My third Gen Tacoma TRD Sport is a black one. I can tell right now this is a premium package. 14-inch screen, locking rear diff, cameras, towing package, tube steps on a TRD Off-Road chain, and they want $55,559 for this TRD Off-Road. And this does have mud guards. Another TRD Off-Road with tube steps. Oh my goodness. This is a plain Jane TRD Off-Road. They'll always have a locking rear differential. That has that 8-inch screen. This has mud guards, door edge guard. And they want $46,924 for this TRD Off-Road. Another TRD Off-Road with tube steps. This is getting monotonous. This has a spray-on bed liner. This has the bed scene lighting. And this is hybrid, high force max. If you've been following the channel for any time, you know that Tacoma hybrids are not built to save you gas money, but to give you more torque and power. It's a 14-inch screen. This is a premium package because it's got a locking rear diff, it's got cameras, and it's got the towing package on it. So you're going to get heated front seats, cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, and a removable JBL speaker. They want $59,673 for this TRD Off-Road hybrid. Here's another TRD Off-Road, bronze oxide. It's got the tailgate inserts, no lift, Predator steps. I love these on the TRD Off-Road. Those are nice. This has got the premium package. So locking rear diff, cameras, and towing package. And this has a spray-on bed liner. And they want $55,814 for this TRD Off-Road. Here's another TRD Sport. That looks like premium paint. That's got tube steps. They want $47,359 for this TRD Sport. It's got a 14-inch screen, and that's about it on the features on the inside. Everything else about standard. Another TRD Off-Road. Looks like they only got one SR here. No SR5s, no limiteds, no Trailhunters. I've not seen a Trailhunter here other than a 4Runner Trailhunter. They want $55,559 for this TRD Off-Road. It's a premium package. Let's see what else they got over here. This is a TRD Off-Road. Very similar, except this has stuff all over it. And they want $46,924 for this TRD Off-Road with an 8-inch screen and locking rear differential. Another TRD Off-Road and underground. 8-inch screen, locking rear diff. And this one has heated front seats, and they want $46,324 for this one. Nothing special in the bed. All right, one more Tacoma, and we've covered 19 Tacomas today. Another TRD Off-Road. Wow, they've got a lot of them. Now, this is a 6-foot bed. They want $46,494 for this long bed TRD Off-Road, 8-inch screen, locking rear diff. This has heated front seats. If you like that video, be sure to hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. We'll see you next time. Smoky Mountain Taco, out.